Hi, this is Melissa, and I'm going to walk you through how to convert questions using AI in Kami. These pages are page 7 through 8 are the ones that I want to convert. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to Question AI. Question AI tool is going to give me 3 different features to use. What would I like to do? Convert, generate, or create from scratch. I'm going to say first that I want to generate because I'm just going to make a copy of these questions to go into my Schoology, so it's going to auto-grade for me. So let's do convert and convert this document, and I am doing page 7 and 8. Now pay attention right here. These are the pages I want. I know that this has different page numbers on it, but I'm looking at this. So page 7 and 8 and convert. And here those questions come in. When you click on that question, make sure that you are on the select tool so you can start to modify that question. So I'm going to click on the select tool. Then I'm going to click on the question. Now this opens it up, and this is where I have the opportunity to change the question type, either a checkbox, a short answer, or a drop down. These 4 will all be auto-graded for you in Schoology, but this open-ended, you will have to go back and check and give it credit. I'm going to leave this one multiple choice. You can also change the point value here, and you decide what point value you want, because when it goes into Schoology, it's going to calculate that for you. Keep that in mind. I'm going to display this on the page. Now look, when it comes up on the page, it's going to put it tells it goes on page 7. Now here it is. This is what I want to do. I want to make it fit on the page just like this. There is my question. This is how I'll put converted questions on the document. And if you say, well, Melissa, you can just leave it here and the students will see it here. But I'm thinking of my 3rd graders. What would they say? They would say, Miss Summerford, where do I answer? Let me show you what I mean. Let's look at the student preview. When I go into student preview, this is going to show me what it looks like for a student. When the student sees question 1, they'll be able to answer here. Now question 2, I didn't make a copy of it and put it on the assessment, so it's going to be here. I know I'm going to get a lot of questions on where do I answer it. So for me, I would just put it on the document. So let's go ahead and get out of there, exit, and then continue on. So again, click on the question. Click on the question type that you would like. Let's make this a drop down. Let's change it up a little bit. I want to display it on the page. I also want to talk about these too. Now you can do display on the page. There it is. Show answer options only. Now this is great if I have the numbers on the page and I'm not going to change those, so I could just show the answer option only. I like this one, randomize the order, meaning every student is going to get the answer choices in a different order, so they can't chat over to Johnny, what's number 2? Because it's going to all be different. And then add a hint. This is where you will add a hint to help guide your students. So you know what I'm going to say? Use your notes. Boom. All right. So that is how you convert questions in Kami.